Welcome to this guide on Cash App Error Code 102. Cash App Error Code 102 is a login failure notification that appears when you try to access your account. This error indicates an issue that is preventing the user from successfully logging into their Cash App account. In this video, we will explore various solutions to help you resolve this error and regain access to your account. Error code 102 in Cash App can occur for several common reasons. Understanding these causes is the first step to resolving the issue effectively. One common cause is incorrect login credentials. If you've entered the wrong password or username, Cash App will display error code 102. Always double-check your login information before retrying. Connectivity issues are another frequent culprit. If your internet connection is weak or unstable, Cash App may fail to connect to its servers, resulting in error code 102. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection. An outdated version of Cash App can also be the cause. Older versions may not be compatible with current server requirements, leading to error code 102. Keep your app updated to the latest version. Finally, server-side issues at Cash App can lead to error code 102. This might happen during maintenance or unexpected outages. In such cases, the issue is temporary and usually resolves on its own. By identifying which of these common causes applies to your situation, you can take the appropriate steps to resolve error code 102 effectively. The first solution to fix Cash App error code 102 is to verify your login credentials. First, double-check your username, which can be your email address or phone number, and your password. When typing, pay close attention to capitalization and special characters. Passwords are case-sensitive, so even small mistakes can prevent login. If you're unsure of your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen. To reset your password, tap Forgot Password, enter your username or email, follow the instructions sent to your email or SMS, and create a new password. After verifying or resetting your credentials, try logging into Cash App again. Solution 2 focuses on checking your internet connection, as poor connectivity can cause Cash App error 102. Start by testing your internet connection to ensure it's working properly. Step 1. Test your internet connection by trying to access other websites or apps. If these don't work either, you likely have a connectivity issue. Step 2. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one connection type works better than the other. Step 3. If the connection issues persist, consider resetting your router or modem to refresh the internet connection. Outdated apps can cause errors like code 102. Keeping Cash App updated ensures better security and fixes bugs. Let's see how to update it on iOS and Android. On iOS, open the App Store app on your device. Tap the Updates tab at the bottom. Find Cash App in the list and tap Update if available. On Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile picture in the top right, select Manage Apps and Device. Go to Updates Available, find Cash App, and tap Update. If no Update option appears, your Cash App is already up to date. Reinstalling the Cash App can resolve issues caused by corrupted installation files. This process involves completely removing and then reinstalling the app. Corrupted files can prevent the app from functioning properly, so starting fresh with a reinstall often solves these problems. First, uninstall the Cash App from your device. On Android, long press the app icon and select Uninstall. On iOS, press and hold the app icon and choose Delete App. Before reinstalling, make sure you know your login credentials. You'll need your email or phone number and password to sign back into the app after reinstallation. Now, reinstall the Cash App from your device's App Store. Open Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS, search for Cash App, and install it. A simple device restart can often resolve temporary software glitches that cause error code 102 in Cash App. Here's how to properly restart your smartphone, whether it's iOS or Android. For iOS devices like iPhone, press and hold the power button, slide to power off when prompted, wait 30 seconds, then press the power button again to restart. For Android devices, press and hold the power button, select Restart or Reboot from the menu that appears, and wait for the device to restart. This is a basic but surprisingly effective troubleshooting step that clears temporary issues. Solution 9 focuses on adjusting your device's date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can prevent Cash App from authenticating properly, as the app relies on accurate timestamps for security. To fix this, first open your device's settings menu. This is usually found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen. Next, locate the date and time settings. This is typically under System or General settings on most devices. Finally, enable automatic date and time settings. This ensures your device stays synchronized. If automatic settings are unavailable, manually set the correct date, time, and time zone for your location. Once adjusted, try using Cash App again. This should resolve authentication issues caused by incorrect time settings. If none of the previous solutions resolve error code 102, contacting Cash App support is the recommended next step. To contact support, open the Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. When contacting support, provide your username or email address, details about the error code 102, and list the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Solution 11. Checking for account restrictions. The account might be temporarily restricted due to security concerns or policy violations. Contacting support will help resolve this issue. Solution 12 involves clearing app data on Android devices, but use this with caution. Clearing app data will delete your account information and require you to log in again. Make sure you understand this before proceeding. First, open Settings on your Android device, then select Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Cash App in the list. Tap on Storage in the app details. Finally, tap Clear Data to complete the process. Solution 14. Trying a different device. If you're encountering error code 102, try accessing your Cash App account from a different device. This simple test can help determine if the problem is specific to your current device. To test this, you'll need access to another smartphone or tablet. The goal is to see if the error occurs only on your current device or across all devices. On your original device, you might see the error code 102. But when you try the same account on a different device, the login may work normally. Follow these steps. First, have another device ready. Second, install the official Cash App if it's not already there. Third, log in using the same account credentials. Fourth, observe whether the error appears on this new device. If the Cash App works normally on the different device, it suggests the issue is specific to your original device. You can then focus troubleshooting efforts there. Remember to prioritize device security and only download apps from official sources. Solution 15 focuses on addressing potential phishing attempts. Phishing scams often create fake login screens that look like Cash App to trick you into entering your username and password. These scams can come through suspicious emails, text messages, or links that appear legitimate. To protect yourself, only download and use the official Cash App from trusted app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Be extremely wary of any emails, texts, or websites asking you to log in or provide your Cash App credentials. Solution 16 focuses on checking for software conflicts. Other apps on your device might interfere with Cash App's operation, causing error code 102 to appear. If the issue started after installing a new app, temporarily uninstall that app to test if it resolves the problem. Remember, this is just a troubleshooting step. You can reinstall the app if needed. Solution 17 focuses on reviewing Cash App's terms of service. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these terms to ensure you're not violating any policies that could lead to account restrictions or error codes like 102. Start by opening the Cash App, going to your profile, and selecting Support. Then search for the Terms of Service document. Review sections related to acceptable use, prohibited activities, and account policies. Make sure your usage complies with these guidelines to prevent any restrictions on your account. Remember, violations can trigger limitations, so staying informed is key to smooth app usage. During peak usage times, Cash App might experience increased server load. These peak hours typically occur during business days from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., evenings when people use the app after work, weekends, and during special occasions or holidays when transaction activity is higher. The servers can become overloaded with the high volume of users trying to access their accounts, send money, or check balances simultaneously. If you encounter error code 102 and suspect it might be due to server congestion, the best solution is to be patient. Wait 15 to 30 minutes before attempting to log in again. This gives the servers time to process the backlog and stabilize. Avoid repeatedly trying to log in during these peak times, as this can actually make the congestion worse and delay your access further. If the error persists after waiting, it may indicate a different underlying issue that requires one of the other troubleshooting solutions. Solution 19 focuses on using the correct region settings. If you're traveling, incorrect region settings on your phone can cause Cash App to malfunction and trigger error code 102. This happens because apps need to connect to servers in the correct region to function properly. To check and set your region settings, first open your device's Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Then look for the General or System section. Next, find the Language and Region or just Region option. Make sure the selected region matches where you currently are located. Important note, incorrect region settings can prevent apps from connecting to the right servers, which is why this can cause error code 102. Always ensure your region settings are accurate, especially when traveling internationally. To recap, we've covered key solutions for Cash App error code 102, including verifying login credentials, checking your internet connection, updating the app, clearing cache or reinstalling, checking server status, and contacting support for account issues. For prevention, use a strong and unique password. Keep the Cash App updated, be cautious about potential security threats, and enable two-factor authentication if available. By following these steps and tips, you can minimize the chances of encountering error code 102 again. Stay secure and enjoy using Cash App.